Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Hello. Hope you're all doing well. Doing good. Doing well. It's been a long day, but I'm doing good. Just had some dinner. I'm ready to play Beyond Blue. Hope you guys are ready. It's a ocean exploration game. And I am hoping for some gorgeous underwater visuals, you know? I hope it's not too scary, because I don't like it when it's too deep, but I think we're gonna stick with like the beautiful reefs and whatnot. I hope. I've never played it before, so hope you guys have a good time and ready to get into it with me. Okay, let's just start. Eline Media. Inspired by Blue Planet 2. Take a deep breath. Oh.
I'm generally not a woo-woo kind of person. If I don't get something, I want to unpack it, get the facts. But the ocean, it's a part of me. You could say it runs in my blood. My grandmother was a freediver, an ama. She helped me feel its rhythm and understand how one breath could last a lifetime. We dove so often, the memories all run together.
Oh. Okay.
Except one.
Oh.
When I wished I could stay down forever. The ocean cast its spell on me that day. And its mystery still consumes me.
Beyond Blue.
Day 1, submerged atoll, Western Pacific. It's great to be diving again. I'm anxious to find our sperm whale family and look in on our mother-to-be. I'm
That
also
cool ass
excited to test out
tattoo.
Audrey's new tech. Ocean X is expecting a huge audience for our first live stream, given how bad things were in this region a few years ago. No pressure though. Ready to dive.
Of course, the company is expecting a huge turnout for the first live stream. That's a cool ass tattoo though. Okay. Ooh. Sharks. I don't know too much about marine life. I just know it's pretty. So I'm hoping,
in and okay.
Hoping we can learn some things.
Hey, Mirai,
Ooh.
how's the new suit?
Nice. A bit itchy, but I've had worse.
How are you breathing?
Breathing easy. This rebreather is amazing. Feels like I'm freediving.
A genuine compliment. Should have caught that on the live stream.
Give me a few minutes. I want it to be amazing, and I'm still getting used to this AR visor.
Ooh. Yeah, I think my sensitivity is a bit too much. Like I'm being thrown around a bit. Let's see. That feels better. Swim to the waypoint. Oh, I still feel like it's a bit too much. Let's take it down. Ooh. Look at this. Is that a tiger? Whale? Ooh. Chilean devil ray. Ooh.
Done. How many scans before the AI is trained on a creature?
It will vary. There are many factors that affect the confidence level of a match.
So you don't know. Got it. Now point me to the buoy so I can try the hydrophones. I want to make sure all the tech is working before we stream.
Hmm.
Irina, how you feeling?
Haven't thrown up today.
Well, it's still early.
Ooh.
You gonna be okay with the live stream?
I may let you do most of the talking.
Once you reach the buoy, you can triangulate the sound of any animal.
Clever.
Thank you.
Ooh. Oh, this is pretty. Ah. Look at all the fishies.
That's close enough. You can use your dive watch to control the buoy from there.
Refresh me on the controls.
Move the targeting circle around. Each sound will get louder when you are close to locking in on an animal's location.
Ooh. Okay. Mm. Ooh. Okay.
Mirai, if you're okay, I'm going to start the live stream.
Let's roll. Welcome to the Ocean X live stream. I'm Dr. Mirai Soto, and I'll be your eyes and ears on this expedition. I'm joined today by two colleagues.
Hello, I'm Andre.
Hello, everyone. I'm Irina.
Ocean exploration streamer. Okay. Sperm whale, dolphin, humpback whale. Okay. Ooh. Look at this.
Looks like we've got our first singer.
Fantastic. Hopefully on your next dive you can record his song to compare with other humpbacks in the area.
Fun fact, in addition to being an engineering whiz, Andre is quite the musician. Are you still writing music?
Not for years.
Dry spell?
More like raising teenagers.
Okay, on to the next. Oh man. Pretty. Ooh.
That looks to be a sperm whale. I think I saw this bull from the sub. I wonder how
Sperm
far
whale.
he's traveled.
Once we have a reliable ID on him, I'll see if anyone has tracked him before.
Nice.
There's a lot of scratches on him. A lot. You been in a fight, buddy? Ooh. Maybe don't get too close. Big.
Don't get too jealous, folks, just 'cause I'm swimming with dolphins. My grandmother always warned me that although they're cute, they can also be pranksters. And today, also very noisy.
Can your AI parse through all those sounds?
Not using this scanner. But I do have a new drone design that should be
Soldier
better at
fish.
isolating the source of the sounds.
Is there any other dolphins in the area? Oh, there it is. There's one. There's one. Hello. Don't be afraid. Oh, I already scanned this one. Okay. Ooh, what's this? Oh, another salty fish. Okay. It's another salty fish. promised a blue-green damselfish. Huh. Splendid of Devil Ray. Okay, I'm getting a bit sidetracked. Let me find these dolphins. There's 3 here, okay.
Done.
There we
Maybe
go.
next time I can weigh in before on the number that we need to scan.
As I mentioned, the confidence model is complex. You just want to find the whales.
Guilty.
Hey, Mirai, I'm seeing alerts on the South Buoy if you want to pull them down.
Okay, let's see what mysteries this buoy unlocks.
You just want to find the whales. We're very biased. Ooh, I just want to find everything. Ooh. Oh, they're singing. Oh. Oh. Okay, let's locate some other stuff. Okay. Sperm whale? Okay. Okay.
What does that sound? Did I break something?
I've deployed acoustic modems to transmit from other sensors.
For those of you who have no idea what he's talking about, he means we use sound to transmit data, so we can have Wi-Fi in the ocean.
Oh.
Impressive. What kind of bandwidth do we get?
Like 1990s dial-up.
Okay.
Fun alert. Looks like some young dolphins are having a play date.
Huh? Gonna scan everything.
Ooh, company.
Unbelievable. That sounds too close to be outside the research zone.
One of the waypoints went down. Do you think that's related?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Time to go to the other one then.
Red light must mean a serious alert.
Yeah, dead battery.
Hmm. Let's fix that. Oh!
Whoa!
It's an octopus!
I think it went in that cave.
Oh.
I'd like to go in that cave. Let's be real. There's no way I'm not squeezing through here to follow that octopus.
We'll definitely want to practice diver rescue at some point.
Well, maybe.
Mirai, please be careful.
We are being so careful, okay? Listen, it's not like we can squeeze through here, you know? You're being so careful. Oh my god!
Hey there! Sorry to spoil your hiding place.
We went way too close to that one. I'm surprised it didn't attack us. Sorry to disturb you. We're going now. Just need to give you a little scan. Hi Dippy. How are you? Having a good day? Okay, let's go back to mission. Which isn't scan everything, but we're still doing that. Yep, hope your day's been good. Yeah, I've had a good day, thank you. Glad you had a good day too. Well. Yeah. Where's our... There we go. That's so pretty. Down here? Oh, nope. Ah! Where's the scanner? Oh. I had a long day. And a bit noisy because there's been like a lot of ships going. That's been tooting. Because there's like this ship that's voyaging to America from Norway. It's the same ship that immigrated the first one from Norway to America like years and years and years ago. People are like being very enthusiastic about it. Using the same type of ship and everything. Yeah. Is it down here? Yeah, there we go.
The biochemical emittance triggered this whole area.
Because of me. Not because of me, but because I configured the sensors to detect stress in the coral population.
Too much honking getting annoying. Okay. Yeah, I know. It's
Let's
like.
Find out what's causing that stress.
Right, please collect.
Is this a national holiday? Please keep it down.
For those watching, these sensors help us understand what leads to resiliency in coral so we can help breed it into other species.
Wait. I should have collected something, shouldn't I? Yeah. But I understand why people are like enthusiastic about it because it's like the restoration of the same ship, or it's the same model and everything. And we have like a lot of Norwegians over in America, like ancestry and whatnot. Like even my ancestors, like they immigrated on that boat, but they came back. Thankfully. I'm sorry. So, yeah, it's interesting. There's one more sample. There's one. Nope, not what we thought. Turn around. Yeah, exactly. Like, nope, this is not for us. Back to cold Norway. That's interesting though. I have to find some dolphins again. I've scanned these ones. Oh, wait, what's this? Tiny tree? Oh.
Hey guys, can I take a turn?
Oh, they're playing. Oh, that's cute. Like a dog.
Well, you don't see that every day. At least I don't.
Frankly, neither do I.
Mirai, sperm whales. And they must be your pod because I have a tag signal that is definitely ours. Pushing the waypoint.
On my way.
Sperm whales, let's go.
I'm hoping to reconnect with the sperm whale family, whom I have been tracking for years.
I'm excited to check in on our mother-to-be.
Mirai clearly has a fondness for these creatures. She's fallen silent.
Wait, where's
Right.
the last
Let me
one?
finish scanning them all. I still don't see our pregnant mother.
Yeah, where is she? I mean, she shouldn't be too hard to spot, right? Oh, wait. There she is.
Done.
Good. Everything all right?
I am now. Look. Our mommy whale has delivered. Everyone say hi to her beautiful 1-ton baby girl.
Is she
1
okay?
ton baby girl.
Right.
Shh. She's nursing. I just wish all of you could be here for 1 second. Amazing. That is the end of our stream. Like, share, comment. Remember, we need you. All of us down here.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow the stream, you know. Oh, this is us, Miriam. Replay region. You'll be able to return to each region to explore freely after you complete the story mission. Okay, cool. Right? Good game to play if you don't like selling out. Yeah, you know, the game just promotes for me, you know? It's okay, it's just replay of areas. Anything else? Oh, here's all the fish we've cataloged. Okay. I did start to like scan a bunch of things. Oh. Game for a completionist, huh? Okay. It's over here. Power of attorney papers. Okay. We're not gonna get sued, are we? The live stream handbook. He's been practicing. I like music. Barely hear it. It's neat. Okay. Not much air, but it's a nice little place, I guess. Okay. Complete your conversations with the helm chair. Helm chair. Okay. Oh, it greeted me like it knew I was coming. Fancy.
Hello, Mirai. Thanks for checking in.
Hey, Andre.
Nice dive. How are you feeling?
A bit tired, but I can't wait to get back out. Can you believe we found the family on the first dive? And they have a new baby girl.
I know. Well done. Feeling settled in the sub. Has everything tested out?
Tess? I knew I forgot something.
This solo sub test makes me nervous. We're definitely fitting it out for 2 pilots next time.
Didn't you design it?
Didn't you help design it?
Yes, but now you're driving it.
I
Oh.
am much more careful with subs than I am with cars.
He has no hope.
Let's hope so. So, I have something I know you'll want to see. It's what the live stream saw of A12 and her baby. I didn't think you expected her to deliver so soon, though.
I thought she had more time given her weight, but it was hard to know for sure. What's the about?
Just noting her low weight. Also wondering when you'll find the rest of her pod. Maybe they were diving.
I'll find them. Hey, I was thinking we should name the baby whale Andrea. She has your kind eyes.
And my bald head.
My
No, I'm putting her in the sim as A17.
Ugh, you're so sentimental. Hey, where's Arena?
Probably in the head throwing up.
Right. We're getting the tea? Yeah.
She threw up one time. Why are you being so hard on her?
I just don't like the idea of using priceless expedition time to make pharmaceutical companies richer.
Even she makes says life thought she was self-funding her own research. You're going to jump on the chat.
Even if she makes discoveries that save lives.
Why is he?
I never
Is he
questioned her
annoyed
research
she's
methods.
sick?
Besides, you know that all of her findings here will be open to the public. Is she gonna jump on the chat?
She's reading a brief about that deep-sea mining impact study.
Okay, I definitely don't have time to get into that with you. I gotta call my sister.
No problem. Send Ren my best.
I will.
Hey girl, aren't you supposed to be 20,000 leagues under the sea?
I am. I'm calling from the sub.
That's crazy.
Wonder if they have this kind of technology.
Hey, did you show Nana my live stream tonight?
School's great, thanks for asking.
Oh.
You asked me not to ask.
Much appreciated.
Hey, check this out.
No way. Is that a baby whale?
Mm-hmm. And her very, very proud mother. She delivered early.
That's some view. You're really living the dream.
Thanks. Miss you, though. How's Nana?
Okay, not a big deal, but I am taking Nana to get tested for a clinical trial. Some new dementia drug.
Well, thank you for stepping up to help Nana.
It's not a big deal.
You would tell me if it was, right?
Yeah,
You sound down. Is it just Nana?
I don't know. It's been hard since Dad died.
I know. You want to stay on for a while? We can watch the baby whale together.
No, I should go. Say hi to the whales for me.
Okay. Bit of lore. Don't know what Andre's deal is, if he's just annoyed that the other person is sick. Must
Day
be
2.
more to that,
Back
right?
to the atoll at sunset. The hydrophone feeds are alive with the sounds of whales. Gonna find me some singers. I'm excited to test Andrea's new manta drone. Kinda like the Swiss Army knife of stealth drones. I'd love to spend the whole dive hanging out with baby Andrea, but miles to swim before I sleep. Ready to dive.
Ready to die. Let's see more fishies.
I'm in and okay.
Ooh.
Looking good, Mirai. The
Oh,
manta drone is ready
oh,
for
it's
its
darker
SIM
now.
scan.
Oh.
Now I get to see why you talk about it so much.
Only the best science for you.
Okay. Let's hope it doesn't get too dark before we're done.
Buoy ahead. Bet we'll find some whale vocalizations.
Well, I'm not taking that bet. You always find whales. You'd find them in your bathtub.
What kind of bathroom do you think I have?
Ooh. That's a sound. Ooh. Sounds like dolphins, no?
This
No?
is
That's
a lot of whales.
it's also a sperm whale.
Number migrating through this area.
Hey, don't jinx it.
Yeah, that is a lot of whales. I think. I have no idea. They said it, so I assume it is. Oh, it's the mom of the
It's our sperm whale
baby.
family again.
So tiny. But also that little baby was, my god, so cute, so cute. Very close to the top. Zoom scan. How do I oh.
The manta drone will match speed with the creature so you can concentrate on steering it around to find the places you need to focus.
Oh.
Alright, baby.
Ah, okay.
Won't forget you now.
Ah, okay. That's what we're doing. Okay, cool.
Andre, can the Zoom scan tell how old the baby is?
Not with any certainty. Why?
Just wondering if she's old enough to hunt by herself.
I mean, wasn't she just born a little bit ago?
I wondered.
There's no
She still
timeline.
seems pretty young to go that deep.
Will she be okay alone while her
Wait,
mother dies?
there's a lot of
She should
scratches
follow
on
the
her.
pod. Her aunties will babysit while the mother hunts.
Wish I had them when my daughter was born.
Takes a pod.
Takes a village to raise a kid.
Mirai, why is the baby girl so important to your study?
I'm hoping to follow the baby for years to learn from her as she learns from her family, and hopefully to watch her eventually become a mother herself.
Mm. Also deeply obsessed because of the connection we had. I mean, the baby had a lot of scratches on its nose. I mean, should it have that many scratches? Look like battered. Oh. Hello, whale.
Here we are. The whale we're designating Humpback M1. Oh, so catchy.
Oh. Oh. Oh god. There we go. Hard to navigate. Okay. There we go.
How will you know it's M1 when you see it again?
Each humpback's fluke is unique.
So M1 it is.
Andre's software is helping me understand the structure of their songs so we can try singing
Oh,
back.
is it like our
Like
fingerprints?
playing back. I'll synthesize a song that mirrors one from another region to see how these whales react.
Because Andre doesn't like my singing.
It's more the songs you sing, actually.
That's rude. Oh, that's a lot of sharks there. Male butterfly fish. Ooh, not get eaten. What's happening here? Hmm. Gotta scan them all. Where? Ah, please. Please, please. I wonder if you can get eaten. Probably not. Wouldn't that be funny? We're just going out and about and suddenly chomp. Whoops. Hello. Oh, oh. Hi, buddy. There's so many of them. Oh my god. I gotta get out of here. Also, I'm not the biggest fan of this scanner sound. Maybe I can take it down a little bit. Yeah, I think that's better. Yeah, let's get to the whale. Get to the whale. Very pretty. Ow. Oh, it has his nose up.
Approaching humpback M2. Looks like he's on a date.
How can you tell?
It's like they're dancing to his song.
Oh.
What do you think, Andre? Do you think he can make it as a solo artist?
Not without more original material.
What?
Males from the same region sing nearly identical songs with just enough variation to stand out.
Yeah, just like most pop singers.
Such a snob.
God. This problem. Oh, do I have to go up? Oh. Okay. I'll leave those two in peace. Oh my god. What's that? Is that a whale shark? It is! And has tiny passengers. Mora. So flat. Get back to the thing. Down here. Oh, it's over here. Literally has a marker.
Let's
Oh,
hope the
not
whale
the devil
continues.
ray.
Wonder if they charge admission.
Don't worry. Whatever it is, you can take it from my budget.
Someone's feeling better today.
Just obsessed with whales. Oh.
Well, I guess it worked. I've got some nasty noise.
Oh.
Same damn sound we heard yesterday.
Well, I'll check it out between the whales.
Hmm. That's not good. Random sound in the ocean? That... Oh god, that's deep. Oh my god. Okay, I'm glad we have some light.
Looks like another area sensor.
Okay, Mirai. Can you use the
Ooh.
micro tanks to mark the starfish for collection?
Are you testing your collector drone?
It's not a test. Irina needs us to collect a few for study.
They are incredibly resilient.
Oh.
They can regenerate themselves from just a subset of their body.
They're also invasive. Must have hitched a ride in the ballast of a ship.
Irina, how many of these do you need?
God.
I'm missing the whales.
All the plastic.
Just a few.
Hello, guy. Where's the sensor? Alarms. Up there, okay. Oh, that's sad. I didn't want to say trash in the ocean, but I mean, that's the reality of it. It's probably more than this. More than the little bit that we see. I wish we could clean it. Let me clean it. Let me take it away. Oh. A starfish. There it is.
Okay, micro tags deployed.
Thanks, Mirai. That's plenty.
It's so funny. We got asked to do one task in our job. He's like, how many do you need? I want to get back to the whales. Oh, priorities. Fishies? I just scanned nothing. Oh, who's this? What's this?
Are you sure this is where you track that noise?
Like nothing here. Oh, except for very deep sea.
I don't know, Andre. That sound is loud, but it seems pretty deep. Can't see how it could be coming from a ship.
Yeah, I agree. It also keeps starting and stopping. I'll figure out another way to investigate it.
Ooh, I don't like that. I mean, could be a submarine or something exploring unauthorized, maybe. Could be illegal activities. Hopefully no one is imploding. Hope it's not that kind of game. Bottlenose dolphins. Okay.
Andre, what was that other nasty noise? It was definitely digital.
Low power alarm. You need to pick up a sensor for servicing.
It never occurred to you that a nice ringtone would be far less annoying?
It is because annoying alarm means you want to fix it, because if not, the annoying alarm is
Mirai,
just gonna...
please, get closer.
You weren't this excited about the dolphins before.
Oh.
They're rubbing against the coral. Kind of a wellness visit.
Oh.
I have colleagues that are studying the antimicrobial properties of these coral.
So you need the dolphins to... Makes sense. Okay, let's get some samples. Then we can go back to the whales, because that's the priority. Ooh. Oh, it's so pretty. Ah! Oh, they... Oh god, I made me dizzy. Let's not do that again. We don't need that. That's fine. Let's get to this weird, mysterious noise. The camera mechanic is a little bit janky, but it's fine. Nothing Nothing too disruptive.
Hey Andre, those reef sharks like your ringtone.
Oh, is that what's going on here?
Will I be able to get the data off that sensor while I'm picking it up?
No, it goes to sleep when the power is low to preserve the data.
Hmm. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my god.
Whoa! Did you see that?
Not
Shame that wasn't on the live
octopus.
stream.
Have you seen one do that before?
Never.
Oh, it was hiding.
I'm picking up a tag from the sperm whale pod, pushing the waypoint now.
On my way.
Oh, I thought we were gonna go after the octopus again. Last time it went to hide. If it was the same one. Probably not, but...
Sorry,
Hey guys.
Sharks. Mirai is off the menu.
We were kind of almost on the menu last time. Whales. There they are. Oh,
The
they're...
baby's back with the rest of the pod.
What's it doing?
Nuzzling. Probably calling for its mama.
Oh, okay.
Are you calling for your mother?
God. Okay. Okay. Please. Please, can I, like... get a view on it? Please? Please? Thank you. Maybe I need to fix the sensitivity there. Should probably help, I hope.
You've got to be kidding me.
Yeah, I hear it!
What is that?
There they go. That was our shot.
This
Can you
disruptive
send
ish.
the sub to pick me up? I'm done for now.
Oh, I sounded so disappointed. I figured that if you could introduce whale songs into popular culture, you could maybe get a movement going to save the whales. Potentially. We need to make it go viral, and people are gonna care for at least a little bit. Is there anything new? Maybe we can check the fishes we have. Not too much new. I like that it turns around to greet me every time. Like, yes, Captain?
Hey, it's Ren. Leave a message at the beep. Is there actually a beep?
Hey, Ren.
Beep.
Why's your phone off? You said this was a good time to call. Ignore that. Someone was messing with my whales today. I was just hoping I could vent to you a little. I hope your test went well. Hey, we had a whale-a-palooza today. Anyway, give me a call when you can. The whales say hi back.
Hey,
I wonder
Mirai.
what's making that disruptive
How are you?
noise.
Doing all right. How are you feeling? Any better?
A bit. I might finally be getting my sea legs.
Next step, diving.
One step at a time, Mirai.
Okay, but I promise you, it'll change your life. Is Andre with you?
No, just me. Andre's analyzing some sound files in the other lab. I think I may have upset him.
Hmm.
You upset him? Or that noise upset him? Because it certainly upset me.
He was overreacting. and I pointed it out.
I was not overreacting.
He's just joining the
Andre, I
call.
didn't realize you were on. What did you find?
This is video and audio from your last dive. And this is an analysis of the sound that spooked the family.
Oh god. Ah.
And this sound is from a Canadian marine acoustic scientist. I think the findings are pretty clear.
Oh god, that's very loud. Oh my god.
The signatures sound the same to me.
He gave me the same test.
Andre, who is messing with my whales?
Deep sea miners.
Here? In the research zone? It's off limits to commercial activity.
And when has that ever mattered before?
We don't know that they're in the research zone. They may be just outside it. We knew they were doing an impact study nearby.
What are they after? That might give us a clue.
They're looking for rare minerals to make solar panels.
Could the sound cause trauma to the whales?
The acoustic specialist said it might push them to quieter hunting grounds, but was unlikely to cause acoustic trauma.
So what's the move?
We should use our mapping drone to investigate their activity.
This is where
Ooh.
our debate turns into an
And let's
argument.
take
We
down
need
this
that drone to map
evil
the deep sea
corporation.
vents before Mirai dives there. The biochemistry of these vents is the perfect cocktail for creating new life forms.
If there is illegal activity there, we have to stop it. Otherwise, there will be no life forms.
Why spend our short time here policing rather than researching? Let's be scientists.
Mirai, your dive, your call.
I mean, we need to investigate.
I'll dive in the vents without a map. Nobody messes with my whales.
Hey, Mirai. Sorry I missed you. Misplaced my phone. Whale-a-palooza? Is that a real thing? Tell whomever annoyed you I'm coming for them. Hey, nobody messes with our whales. Does your submarine have sonar? Maybe you can find the bad guys with that. Maybe that was the answer they were looking for on my test. I was hoping to chat live too. You need to help me figure out a better plan for next semester. Miss you.
Okay. I'm gonna change the sound a little bit again. I hope it is okay, like the sound. Okay. Figuring out what this
Day
this
5.
illegal
Open
activity
ocean,
is.
east of the atoll. I'm ready to play back a coda sound to Andrea to see her response. I'm definitely worried that the family has gotten smaller. Not sure if they were just spooked by that sound or if something else is going on. Staying hopeful. Ready to dive.
I mean, if something is disruption in the ocean floor,
I'm in
you
and
know.
okay. You know, I always feel like I'm swimming in place in the open ocean.
Ooh. Sound was good. If you wanted, you could increase the dialogue like 5 to 10 ticks. Okay. Let me go do that. Okay, the dialogue is at 100, so I guess I just need to increase the master a little bit then. Then I could take down the SFX. Not sure what the insights does, but maybe that. Okay, if the master is up, then the dialogue should go up too. I think we should be good then.
Think the Explorer drones will flag me as biodiverse?
What they're looking for.
That's what everyone says.
Super bright. Bright and early for this mission.
Approaching the buoy.
The buoy. Hoping we would go straight to the vents.
That That song sounds familiar.
Ooh. Probably one of our whales. Oh. Interesting.
Hey, a newcomer.
Orcas!
Now to get there before the noise from Andre's miner friends scares them all away.
You want to raise my blood
Moonfish.
pressure?
Oh my god. These are so funny looking. Remember I caught one of these in Animal Crossing once and I was like, what the hell is that? Like, look at them. Ocean sunfish. Oh, not moonfish, sunfish. Yeah, my bad. Weird looking things, but isn't that every ocean creature really? Orcas! Hello. And another sunfish. And
I
a
was
devil
not
ray.
expecting to find orcas here.
They don't look like killers.
Top of the food chain, just like us.
I mean, they are.
Minus the urge to destroy ourselves.
I mean, they've gone to war with us, so. Flipping ships. So I think their name is accurate.
Hello to you too.
Hello. And this one again? No? Oh no, I already did that. Zoom scan. Okay. Please come back. Please come back. I'm not done with you yet. Please.
Has anyone
There
been
we go.
tracking them?
I'm still waiting to see if there's a match.
Ooh. I guess it's the same for like the whale fin. It's like different. Like our fingerprints. That's cool. What's this? Spotted Sentinella. Hmm. Ooh. Turtle!
Andre, are you seeing this?
Is
A tortoise?
leatherback turtle.
I didn't think there
Turtle!
were any left here.
What happened?
Egg poaching, and the nesting
Oh.
beaches got too warm.
Oh, that's sad. Oh god, let me, please. Gotta go.
Biosample acquired.
Do you think your turtles are making a comeback?
Well, I wish I could be optimistic. It's just as likely our turtle is taking the long route home to somewhere else.
Come on, be a bit optimistic, Andre. Hammerhead shark. I've been swimming with a lot of sharks. Right, we haven't been eaten or been tried to. Maybe they think we're a shark.
Okay.
Hello.
Group survey. New or a repeat?
Hello.
So glad to hear you. Those noisy neighbors silenced enough of your friends.
Hmm. Yeah, this guy seems chill. Can you turn around, please? There we go. Ah, no! Please! There we go.
New whale! We'll designate this one M4, because why mess with a good thing?
The sounds don't sound like the prior songs.
These are more social sounds.
Yeah, the other one was mating sounds, family sounds. I don't know. Okay, go back to the boy. The boy. What's that? A moon jellyfish. Ooh. Jellyfishes are scary. They're like aliens.
Feels like my birthday. And that buoy is my present. Hope it's better than my last birthday.
Dare I ask?
My sister got me jeans that were mine for about a week before they wandered off, never to be seen again. A mystery, I tell you. Did you not charge any of these batteries before you put the sensor in?
It's not a battery alarm, it's the drone.
Oh. Orca! Okay, let's find this unknown shark first. Ooh, a lot of hammerhead first. We get these real quick. These are so funny looking. most most fishes are though, but I'm still. Another jellyfish? Jellyfish.
You're
Jellyfish.
Right. That is definitely not a dead battery. Unless we're using whale sharks as batteries now.
Ooh.
There's already a tag on it.
Then scan the tag.
Sure, like that was obvious.
Yeah, let me just. Ah, please. 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 Oh my god. There we go. B13. Oh my god, this mouth. Oh.
I'm leaving another tag. Much better than a dead battery.
Poor guy's getting tagged twice. I wonder if that allowed or if like sea researchers they like share tags. There's some sort of information share system, right? Maybe? I hope so.
Dolphins. Always showing off. Hey Andre, can you make your manta drone do synchronized swimming?
Guess we'll see.
Hello, dolphins. You get your tag.
Let's log you in.
There we go. Nice. Okay, and now... Yep, dolphin. No, orca. I'm going to the orca. Let's not look down. Let's not look down. I wonder why sometimes the fishes just hang out in the middle of the deep ocean. Set up like near reefs and stuff. Maybe when they're immigrating? No. They're going to spot, maybe? Hi, orca! This one's steep.
Hello! I just met your friends.
Why are you all the way down here by yourself?
Pretty low weight. Irina,
Yeah.
do you think this one could be sick?
I'm honored you believe I could tell from this distance, and that my knowledge of disease extends to all species.
Fair enough. We sure no one's tracking them?
Nothing has turned up.
That's odd. Very odd. Oh, poor guy. girl. Orca. Head back to the buoy. Unless we see something else in the way. Appears to be anything. You know, this would have been fun if I wasn't like terrified of fish coming near me. You know, if I could just look at them, that would be great, but I would just feel way too vulnerable. Look at this guy and all his friends. Hello,
Didn't
boy.
you pick this dive location because you tracked the baby's pod out here?
I said they were heading in this direction.
Oh.
Andre, the buoy is glitching. I don't know what range you've set, but I think I'm hearing all the animals in the Pacific.
Yeah. Too many sound signals for the software to keep up.
Huh.
I don't know what kind of party I'm crashing, but pretty sure I'm gonna love it.
What is
Oh my
happening?
god.
It's a bait ball. Humpbacks? Orcas? Very unusual, but everyone's gotta eat.
Oh my
Are you
god.
safe down here?
I'll try not to be mistaken for a fish.
Yeah, this is when we get eaten. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so cool they do this. The fishies. It's like, they're trying to scare away the big fish, but I also like might get eaten. Oh my god, please. Let me scan you. Oh my god. Just right for it. Yum. Chomp. Like I'm chasing something that's way quicker than me.
Of course dolphins show up. Never like being left out of the action.
They want leftovers.
Good luck to them. They're up against bigger stomachs.
Oh. Coming up. Chomp. Ow. Well, leading to the food.
Here they are. You were right, Andre. I guess I didn't just swim across the Pacific for nothing.
Listen, we figured out a lot of stuff, okay? Don't need to be like that. Okay. And look too good. Okay. Come on.
Are there fewer than before in this pod? Or am I just getting faster at tagging?
No, definitely fewer. But maybe the others are hunting.
No, don't leave me. Well, the mother stayed with the baby this time.
Okay, ready for playback? I've prepared a coder you can activate from your dive watch.
Okay. Oh, this way. This way.
Okay, first attempt to speak whale. Hopefully I won't offend her.
Oh, we're gonna offend her so badly. Scare her away.
echo clicks. I could feel it across my body, just checking me out.
First contact.
She zoom scanned you.
You have no idea what that felt like. She was looking right at me. Whew, you have no idea.
Sound is everything. The whales is their hands, these animals with the biggest brains on earth and the most powerful sound apparatus. Ooh, that's cool. Eco located. Scanned like vibration, like who is this? Ooh. That's very cool. I mean, everything vibrates, and when you put sound to something, something will come back, right? And it's a lot of information. Helm manual. I mean, that's good. At least we know. At least we know she knows how to drive this thing. Okay. Oh, whoops. My bad, my bad. Let's go back into the chair. I just thought I had to call Andre, and I was like, nope, actually, let's not talk to that guy.
Bad news. The drone we had tracking that intrusive noise, it's gone. Lost contact hours ago. I'll keep monitoring the hydrophones for that noise, but as of now, unless the drone resurfaces, that's all we've got.
Hey, Mirai. I assume you've heard that Andrea lost the drone.
Yeah, bad break. Did we get any usable data from the drone before it went missing?
You'll have to ask Andrea. He hasn't given me an update. I think he's upset that I suggested we'd still have the drone if we used it for its original purpose.
It's crazy that we only have one mapping drone. If this were a space mission, we would probably have 100. You sound a little frustrated. Is that with Andre or the drone situation?
Both.
Yeah, his passion can sometimes be overwhelming.
You're not.
I just
You
wish
and
he
Andre
wasn't
need
so
to like
cold
work it
with me.
out.
Just because I turned my prior research into a successful biotech business,
Oh,
not every company is evil.
you're not.
Give him time. He'll lighten up. I know he thinks your current research is important. And impressive.
You see, every company is like an evil corp.
That's nice to know.
Was that a yawn? Did you get any sleep?
Not really. Between the drone and staying up to chat with my daughter, I spent most of the night staring out of my cabin window at the moon.
My grandmother loved to take me free diving in the moonlight. It was magical. It's like the whole ocean glows.
Sounds like a fun grandmother.
She was. Is. She's alive, but suffers from dementia.
Oh.
Sorry to hear that.
Thanks. Nana moved in with us after our mom died. I was 12, Ren was 4.
Are you and your sister close?
Most of the time.
Most of
Really?
the time. It's complex right now, but yeah, definitely.
I
Where
mean,
is
we're
your
still
daughter?
talking to
She's at
her,
university.
so it can't be too bad.
What is she
you know?
studying?
Pre-med. But she also has a passion for music. She has been playing in the same indie band for years.
What's her music like?
Hard to describe. I'm sure Sophie would love for you to check it out. I'll send you her latest single.
Ooh.
Isn't your sister also at university?
My sister, took a break for a few years, but she's back now.
There's a story there. Not my business.
It's just hard sometimes for me not to want to take the wheel when I see her swerving.
Does she want your help?
I don't think she wants her stuff to get in the way of my success.
You sound like me talking about my daughter.
Yeah, complex. People are messy. That's why I study whales. Speaking of which, I better get prepped for our next dive.
Yeah.
Catch you later.
Yes, of course.
Alright. Our sister.
Hi, Mirai. It must be late there.
That's okay. I'm on dive time.
I showed Nana the highlights from your live stream.
Ooh.
Yeah? Did she like the whales?
It's hard to know. She did huff at the dolphins, though.
She used to read you that story every night.
Yeah, you told me that, but I don't really remember.
Are you doing okay with her?
Kind of. You do this better.
Did you want to talk about next semester?
When you get back. It's complex.
You know, I can look at coming back earlier.
That's crazy talk. Go speak to your whales.
Gonna try. Catch you later.
Yeah, we care more about the whales anyway. Okay. Before our next dive, I'm gonna take a tiny break as I need to use the bathroom. So I'll be right back. Alright? Alright, chat, I'm back. Sorry about that. Hello. Hope you're enjoying the stream. If you are, feel free to follow. We do have a follower goal.
Day 7. About to enter the Twilight Zone. I'm following Andrea's family down to the seamounts where I hope to observe them hunting. Irina has been testing our samples and is worried about a harmful algal bloom being somewhere nearby, so I am to keep an eye out for that. Check. I'm also keeping an eye out for more turtles. I know they're out there, ready to dive.
Whales and turtles. Ready to dive.
I'm in and okay.
I'm in and okay.
And we're streaming.
Oh,
Hello,
we're streaming
everyone.
again.
Welcome, or welcome back. I'm diving near a seamount region, also known as the Twilight Zone, because it is just beyond reach of the sun. And we'll be taking some questions live, so be nice.
Ooh.
We'll also be testing a playback system to interact with whales.
Cool. The Twilight Zone. Okay, listen, this is as deep as I'd like to go. You know, I like the sunlight. What's this? Oh! Calm jelly. Ooh! Spider crab! I've seen a crab like this, kinda. They're like weird looking. Yes. Splitfin. Splitfin flashlight fish. Right? Another comb jelly. Alright, let's take the mission. Dana octopus squid. Oh. Why is there so many of them? Another sunfish. All these particles. Oh, a container. Ew. Makes me sad.
Want to hear something cool? So do I. I'm hoping that buoy can send a little message to our humpback friends.
That's right. Andre is going to serenade some humpbacks.
Well, not me, but using a song I generated from other recordings.
Okay. Oh, an unknown creature. Humpback whales. Sensor alarm. Okay. Okay, let's go to the whales first. The fun thing.
Okay, time to see if any humpbacks respond to our song.
Jordan wants to know how you will know.
Great question. If we have recorded him before, we'll see if the influence of our song affected his.
Scientists believe whales from one region can influence the song of whales from another when they mix.
Hey Andre, we've recorded a song from this one before, right?
We have.
How quickly can you compare his two songs?
Well, I need to wait for his song to complete at least one full cycle.
And how long is that?
20 minutes, maybe more.
Wow, that's a long, slow ballad.
Not gonna lie, this depth is like slightly freaking me out a little bit, even though I know there's nothing scary happening. It's just getting really dark and deep. Ooh, John Dory. Ah. What's that? Another comb jelly. So weird. So weird looking. Okay. Oh my god.
And feasting on some moon jellies.
That is odd. Is that the same one we saw before?
It looks bigger, but let me zoom scan it to be sure.
So many jellyfish. Oh my god. You're having a feast, aren't you?
We can run the sample in the lab, but I am sure this is a different one.
Do they typically travel together? And wouldn't it be surprising to find two this far off course?
Yes, it would be.
And yet, here they are.
Welcome back,
Aw.
turtles. Enjoy your beautiful moon jellies.
Moon jellies are beautiful. There is a decent chance this jelly will regenerate itself.
This looks like the
In
jellyfish.
fact, a few species of jellyfish are technically immortal. They can revert from being full grown to their younger state and essentially start their life cycle over.
Thank you, Arena, who will make us all immortal one day.
Jellyfish, yeah, it's scary. They're like, I've been here so long. And those look like jellyfish that's in the ocean up here in Norway. One type at least. Very harmless. Don't sting at all. Ooh. Another John Dory, another spider crab. Ooh. More spider crabs. Oh, it's like gang hanging out. Hello. Like a camera. Okay. Let's go to the mystery sound.
Dana squid. It looks like they're hunting.
Ooh.
Lanternfish.
Well called, Arena. We'll make you a sea witch yet.
I'm sorry, a what?
Let's
Sea
scan a few
witch.
to pick up their hunting behavior. Here goes.
Scott from Denver wants to know if they eat each other.
Some
Oh.
do. I think this one was upset he missed out on his prey.
I mean, a lot of stuff in the ocean is cannibalistic. Insects too. And some animals. Oh, why? Oh my god. That buoy is so deep. It's nice when I see some kind of depth, to be fair. Hello, boy. Oh, it's another sensor alarm. Okay. I mean, I just want to go, you know, map
Great.
out.
I've been waiting for this. I have just activated your UV light.
First of all,
Oh.
don't mess with my suit when I'm diving. Secondly, you spoiled my surprise.
Scan using white light. Oh. Oh, come on. Swell shark. Ain't that swell?
Swell sharks have developed biofluorescence to communicate with each other.
Ooh.
Their eyes have special adaptations for the UV light. Now you can see what a swell shark sees.
That's what I'm talking about.
Ooh. That's nice. Sims can using white light. Can't scan this one. Okay, guess I already done it. Okay, did I scan you? Hmm. There we go.
Next, you can try the black light I installed in your sub.
You did not. You did install it in your dorm room back in the day. Your wife showed me pictures.
Well, uni was a good time.
It was a good time. Hi, crab. Hi, sunfish. Wow. Orange Rory. Rory? Ruffy? Rory? I don't know. Oh my god. Octopus. Where's this weird sound coming from? Oh, it's inside a cave. Ooh.
What am I looking for here?
Oh, one of our sperm whale tags must have fallen
Octopus is sus.
Andre, you
It
really need
is. It's
better
like
glue
just
for these.
everywhere. It's
off.
like
Use glue.
weird. Maybe the octopus is the alien imposter
I've tracked
that's
down the
observing
tag.
us.
It's in a cave. I wonder how it got in here.
Mm. Oh my god! See?
What the?
There it is
Why?
again!
An octopus.
Oh my
are you
god!
okay?
Other than getting inked in front of a live
Jesus.
global audience?
You know, you might want to get that off you. It will probably attract predators.
Oh my god.
Oh, wonderful.
See? Damn it, octopus. Just got inked. Rascal. Yep. See, now we're gonna get attacked by a shark and it's gonna be the damn octopus's fault. See? The imposter wants us off the ship. Okay, so how do we get this ink off us? Please? Let's dip. Let's go home. Let's go. Ooh, a whale. Pretty whale.
Okay, last boy of the dive. How are you feeling?
Chances of suit holding out until the end of the dive? Good.
Well,
Seeing if our humpback song had any effect, well,
You know this, but for the viewers, science is not magic, it takes patience.
I'd like to believe in a little magic.
I mean, Mirai, we got inked, so maybe your suit won't hold up, you know? Ooh. Unknown sensor. I want to pick up more from this evil corporation that's ruining our ocean. Okay? And I want to take him down. What I want to do. Ah.
Sperm whale, I think it's... Yes, it's hunting! First
Ooh.
time we'll be able to document it with Andre's technology.
Cool. Hunting.
Come on, come on. And then the buzz. I got it!
Nice.
Raj from Mumbai wants to know, what's the buzz?
I think he was making a joke.
But what is the buzz? How is it used?
We're not entirely sure, but definitely associated with being close to prey.
This is just the warm-up. The real fun will come in the deep.
What's the buzz, Chad? Trolling the scientist from the chat. It's classic. Oh god. No, please don't swim into me. Thank you. Bye, buddy.
Andre,
Oh, what's this?
there's no way these little ones are thousands of miles off course.
Oh my
Right,
god. Like tiny
Give him a
babies.
Right. Let's scan a few of these to get their gender. There's a tiny tag here.
Ooh.
Andre?
Tiny turtles. I already scanned this. How did I collect the same one? Okay, come on. What?
Chen from Shanghai wants to know why you care about their gender.
Well, their sex is determined by the temperature of their nests. Warming beaches wiped out the turtles in this region.
Believe in a little
Oh.
magic now, Andre?
I may just start, but let me check on that tag first.
That's interesting. Okay. Oh god, why is this whale so far down? Oh.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Glad we didn't miss this.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Yeah, they must have been hunting down past the rift.
I think we found our spot for our first deep dive.
Oh.
Mirai, check out that one closest to you. What's that on its skin?
I'm not sure I can catch them. They're headed to the surface.
Oh no.
It might just be a scrape from a ship strike.
Yeah, let's hope that's all it is.
That looked
Let's end it here.
deep and like scratchy. Hope it's not from the
I know
corporation.
it seems like Andre worries about everything.
Probably is. We need to take it down.
I really
Okay.
understand where that comes from. Everyone's seen the pictures, but I can tell you it was really tough to be doing hands-on work when we were losing entire species. For me, it was the whales. But for Andre, it was the turtles. I stayed to help him. Several of the other scientists did as well. By then, only Andre's protected nests were the ones producing turtles in the region. We all figured that the population was going to collapse, and eventually it did. But seeing this large man spend day after day carrying tiny turtles from the nest to the water, it inspired us to stay.
Oh, Andre.
I mean, coming back now, it feels like another world. Andre is not an angry man, Irina. He's just a man who gets angry when he sees people say it's too hard, or that they don't care at all.
Yeah. And it must be very difficult working in a field like this when you're trying so hard to preserve, but then everything else, like within our population, is just like polluting and ruining, and you see the effects firsthand, and you're like trying to be like, hey, we need to fix it, and then
Hi,
nothing
Mirai.
gets done.
Sorry to miss
At a
the
scale
post-dive
that
brief.
brings
I've been
change.
listening to our humpback recordings for hours and got myself in a kind of funk. Actually, I started listening to the humpbacks and then switched to Miles Davis. Anyway, I don't see any clear sign that our playback influenced any of the other whales yet, but I just know we're on the right track. I'm sorry to be in such a mood. Don't know what to make of those turtles or what's going on with our sperm whale family. Right. Catch you in a bit.
I mean, something's going on for sure. It's an evil corp, okay? We can take that one down, okay? They won't fix everything, but we can take that one down, okay? Let's do it. I'm ready.
Day 12. Spent the last 5 days on an endless series of depth tests of Andre's deep diving suit. Guess he doesn't want me to implode on the live stream. I do hope it's giant squid proof though. The mapping drone located a brine pool near where Andrea's family has been hunting. That is, before it went AWOL. Ready to die. I mean dive.
Ready to die. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay,
I'm
you know what?
and okay.
You sure I can't talk you into another test dive at this depth before we stream?
Enough test dives. It's not like I'm doing a spacewalk.
I mean, it kind of
Well,
looks
with
like a
this suit, you probably
spacewalk.
could.
Are we gonna talk about suit crush depth again?
I think we can probably roll.
Oh my god.
Starting live stream.
Welcome back, ocean friends. Tonight, I am deep. Midnight zone, no light from the surface deep. Tonight, we're using Andre's lure drone to mimic the Atolla jellyfish to lure large predators like the giant squid.
It's certainly not all my tech. I'm building on years of prior research.
Don't forget our mission to the brine pools.
Oh yes, Irina will fill you in on that later.
Oh my god. Atlantic football fish. Looks freaking looks like an anglerfish. Oh my god. Okay, let's just focus on the rock formation on this. Let's just focus on the rocks. Okay. Oh my god. So. Oh my god, let me just scan this real quick. Lanternfish. Okay. I mean, And it's beautiful in a very freaky way, okay? Oh my god, you again. So freaky looking. The teeth. Ah. Okay. Oh, we got this. We can be brave. Somehow these tiny particles are helping. At least it's not just endless black void. Oh, is this more lanternfish?
Okay, Andre, how do I find the Lyrodrone?
What's
Look
that?
for blinking red lights in the water column.
Train light? Oh no, barrel eye fish. Okay. I was like, we named the fish Train Light Lure. Oh, that's a name. I mean, we could have.
No need to get too close. You can activate the lure from there.
Andre, have you done this before?
I haven't, but others have.
How long until we can expect the lure to attract a predator?
It's hard to say. It's a big ocean. But if you lose patience, I would find some real atoll jellyfish.
Oh
I have
my
a feedback
god.
system set up to improve the lure as you scan them.
Of course you do.
Oh
For
my
those watching,
god.
we will be scanning these Atolla jellyfish to make sure Andre's lure matches the real thing.
It does, but it can always be refined.
That's
Not
a
much confidence in humanity, but plenty in himself.
Look at this
Got the jellyfish
jellyfish.
scans, though Andre doesn't need them.
In truth, they should improve the lure. I would not waste your time.
Getting a few impolite comments on the screen pointing out that giant squid don't feed on Atolla jellyfish.
They're right. Actually, the Atolla puts on this light show when under attack, in order to lure creatures big enough to eat their attacker. Might have some useful human applications.
I think we need more Atolla scans to approve the lure.
Okay. Whose idea was it to live stream this particular dive? I am glad I can't see the comments.
I would agree. My grandmother had a saying for times like this. I'm not going to try my grandmother's accent on a live stream, but loosely translated, it means if you get bored waiting for a giant squid, you can always go to a brine pool.
That's a pretty specific saying.
Okay, Grandma. Alright. Well, these are some. I've never seen jellyfish like this.
I noticed that these atollas were already making their blue alarm before you swam close.
Most likely a sign that they have detected predators in the region that threaten them.
Ah. Listen, we're gonna get eaten during this dive. I can just feel it. We're just gonna get chomped up and that's it. That's the game. See? Oh my god. Like, listen, we were just right on the right, you know?
That gave me a chill.
Listen, we were super close to that. Listen, we were like right
I
over
know how much you
here.
enjoyed that, but do you mind if we check out the brine pool before we check on our whale cam?
If you insist. You got what you wanted. This is my giant squid.
Is that another one of your grandmother's sayings?
And then they laugh,
No,
right?
but she often used this one. Hurry up and collect my specimens for me.
What an expressive language.
It's no giant squid, but I promise you, you won't have to wait to find it.
It's like we were literally like a couple of like 5 meters to 10 meters off that lure when a gigantic squid showed up and they're just laughing about it. we were almost food, okay? Realistically.
At long last, welcome to the brine pool.
Ooh.
I know it's really a salt lake under the ocean, but it looks more like a witch's brew. I have been teasing Arena, but a brine pool is a diverse microenvironment within the ocean. It has its own ecosystem.
And each one is unique.
Ooh.
So that means the microbiology is unique and could hold groundbreaking solutions to human problems. Each time I take new samples into a lab here on this ship, it's this magical discovery moment
It's so cool.
where I tingle all over. I fund my own research so I can pursue what I know to be important. And people ask me, how much money are you going to spend to collect some bacteria at the bottom of the ocean? If these bacteria hold the cure for a disease that relieves even just a small amount of human suffering, how do you put a price on that?
That is some giant squid.
Forbidden geisha. Forbidden soup. I don't know. That's cool. All the shells on the outside. Like it's just so foggy. Like the water. Underwater salt lake. So cool. Like what a concept. That's actually real. Oh my gosh, these guys. Guys just like hanging out here or? So I'm glad there's light down here because it's so dark. So dark. Can't believe she's like not freaking out just like a little bit, you know? Okay, one more. Okay. You know, I almost don't want to swim above it. It's like I don't...
Mirai, pushing your waypoint.
Sperm whales are back on the hunt.
Like I can probably...
Look for the drones. They will seek out the sound of the sperm whales and then idle nearby.
We hope that today, Andrea's tech will make it possible to document how a sperm whale hunts the giant squid.
It's so cool and so freaky. Like I felt like I would just swim above that, something was just gonna come up and grab me, you know? Ooh, whale. Okay. Another whale.
Let's go tag some sperm whales so we can eavesdrop on their hunting.
One of our viewers wants to know if there is a problem with the link, since the waypoints keep appearing and disappearing.
No problem. The drones are in stealth
Oh my
mode, so
God.
they will only track the whales by sound.
I better swim fast.
Oh god, it's so loud.
We'll keep good watch over you.
Oh my god, look at the squid. God. Can I scan it? No? Oh my god. Okay. Ah! No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit. Chomp.
What just happened?
He just ate
I think
it.
the squid knocked the camera right off.
I had that camera feed in full screen on my visor, and for a second, I thought it was lights out for me.
Sounds like a good time for the sub to pick you up. Live stream out.
That whale just ate that squid like it was nothing. It just went comp. And they were like, the squid knocked the camera off. No, did you not see that? That was crazy. See, payback. That squid almost ate us, so you know. How's this looking? Ooh, we almost scanned all the species. At least once. Cool. Cool. Okay. Let's go make our phone calls. Like, did you see something crazy happen and it just went, whoa? And they laugh about it.
It's Irina. Since there's no dive today, I'm going to lose myself in the wet lab to work on those samples you sent up from the brine pool. Hey, have you listened to my daughter's track? Interesting, right?
Our view is just so dark. Oh, we just have only voice memos or voice
Mirai,
messages.
Remember the tag we found on the turtles? I put it out
Yeah?
on the network and I got the strangest message back. I'm
Okay.
gonna take a tender to a small island nearby and check it out. I'll explain everything later. Still no mapping drone, by the way.
Oh my god. Why would he just not give us any details?
Hey, it's me.
Also no
Anna
mapping
didn't
ground?
qualify for the study. Doctor says
Oh.
we missed the window. Whatever that means. Hard
Oh.
to tell what she remembers now. It's tough. Not sure my head's 100% there with school. Honestly, seems like a waste of money. Anyway, see you.
Oh. Oh, Ren. Sounds like we need to have actual conversations. Oh.
Day 13. We're in the vents region without a map because of the lost drone. Diving blind, but I know these vents are important to Irina. We tracked a tag from our whale family here. I'm hoping it just fell off, as this would be an unusual place for a whale to be. Andre has the dive suit in safe mode, so I'll have restricted range. Head south to find the clearing for the sub pickup. Check. Ready to dive.
I'm in and okay.
Remember, no buoys and no waypoints. I put a simple version of the mapping system on your Manta drone. Now, we won't get your feed live, so we'll hear you, but won't see what you see.
I really wish we hadn't lost that mapping drone.
Relax. You know I've got this.
Of course, but we'll keep unnecessary chatter to a minimum to help you focus.
Roger that. No chit-chat. Singing's okay, though, right? Irina, how will I know the difference again between a dormant vent and a live vent?
Well, the live vents would have 400-degree water streaming out, so that's one way.
Check. Wide berth on the live hydrothermal vents.
Sorry, I thought my mic was muted. This is a dormant field. No live vents.
Okay. This place is so eerie. Oh. Hi there. Please don't eat me. Thank you. Sleeper whale. Wait, sleeper shark. Why did I read that as whale? But whales in the brain, because Mirai has whales in the brain. Okay, need one more vent. Why do I feel something's gonna happen? Not a friend? Hello? Okay, so now what? There's a lot of these sleeper sharks here. Guys, I'm like... Not gonna tell me what was next? No? Just scan the vents? Maybe we just need to wait. There's another one. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's back where he came in. Eerie and creepy. Mineral study. Not getting any prompt to do anything. I'm wondering if I just need to find all of them instead of just the signed 3 that we got. My heart's racing. I just feel like something is gonna come around any corner. Maybe that's octopus again, hiding somewhere. Oh, I've not seen this one. Okay. Another one. can't say. I'm not too sure how to progress. Maybe we're just gonna swim back to the submarine. No, it's not allowing us to go above. Ah. Wait, oh, what's this?
Neither of you are gonna believe this.
Oh,
I think I found the mapping drone.
Really?
No way.
Can you scan it to make sure?
there we
Scan
go.
confirms. I thought you programmed it to track the noise from the miners.
I did. I definitely did.
Maybe you never committed the change. You were pretty exhausted that night.
Maybe.
Oh, are we taking it home or? Nope. Okay, so what's down here? Oh.
Okay, this dive just keeps getting stranger. How hot did you say that water typically is in a live vent?
Is that a joke?
No joke. Well, we're down one drone, but discovered an unmapped vent system.
Mirai,
Oh.
this is great. I truly believe that these systems are the key to understanding the origins of life. Thank you so much for doing the dive under these conditions.
Actually, that might be the answer.
What?
To why the drone died.
We were talking about the origins of life.
My mind won't stop if it can't fit all the pieces together. The mapping drone may have cruised too close to the vent. It's got more delicate equipment on its underside that are not rated for anything close to that temperature.
You sound almost pleased.
Well, it's better to know the flaws so you can fix them.
Ooh, what's that?
I know we're giving me the silent treatment, but
Oh my god, an
I think
octopus.
I just discovered a new species of octopus.
Not
Oh
sure
my
I
God.
can confirm that with just one scan.
Sorry, didn't copy that.
Where are you going? Ah! Ah! Oh, okay, that's too close, that's too close, that's too close, that's too close, that's too close. That's too close. That's too close. Oh! Oh! Ah! No! No, sorry! Sorry, I didn't mean to bother you. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm sorry, sorry. Oh man, I want to follow
Is that
in.
an opening there?
Okay. Oh yeah,
How
let's...
long do I have in this suit if I get stuck? Right.
Oh my
no
god.
chatter.
Oh my god, no, you see, this is the cave we should not go into. This is like a deep sea cave that we should not go into, okay? This- oh,
Andre, is it
Mirai.
possible that this is one of our tags?
That's my tag sound.
Oh my god. Oh. Don't mind me, little guy. We're just here for the tag. Thank you. Nice house you have. Nice little cave. Very pretty. Ah. Oh, let's get out of here. This cave looks too perfect. And it's kind of freaky. Almost like something massive tunneled it down.
Irina, did you expect volcanic activity here?
Or like a
Describe
stream
it,
of
please.
Red, glowing?
Oh my
Maybe more.
god.
Mirai, I would give that a very wide berth. Like maybe from your sub.
Oh my god. Whew. Oh my god. That's crazy. That's pretty. That looks super cool. Hey, what else is down here? No? Now that I found the drone and we're knowing the path to go, this is pretty interesting. It's scary, but interesting. Okay. More fishies? Are these lantern? Oh, no, flashlight fish. Okay, so we're back with the vents. Okay. Maybe down this way. A lot of shells. Hmm. Maybe this way? Oh! And here's the drone. I thought we would at least try to bring it back. Or maybe they're coming down with a submarine. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe I went the wrong way with that lava thing. Maybe I should have gone past. Okay, we need to find it again. No, I wish I had a map. I wouldn't get so lost. Here's the hot air vents. And we went down this way. I mean, there must be something that's like making the temperatures and everything behave bizarrely down here, right? Has to. Oh yeah, I should swim past it. Okay. My bad. There we go. Now we're on the right track. The right swim.
Are you kidding me?
Whoa!
Describe, please.
Oh, there it is.
I mean, I don't want to.
Mirai, you're making me uneasy.
Seriously, we'll look
Jesus.
at it together when I'm done with the dive.
Look at this. That's some crazy ass equipment. See, we need to take this company down, okay? This game needs to change into an FPS. First person shooter. Let's go blap. Oh. That's a big ass pipe that's not connected to anything. And there's more lava stuff. sediment pipe. Hmm. Someone's been collecting samples. Or not? More sleeper sharks. Oh my g- Oh
no.
shit.
What happened to you? Were you sick?
Oh no.
Are you okay?
Just getting a few last scans.
Did it have a tag? Oh my god, please. There you go.
And saying goodbye to a friend.
Oh.
Can you send the sub?
Oh my god. Science has always lagged behind ocean industrialization. I would have liked for once to see the science ahead of the industrialization and how the science define the limits of the industrialization. Yeah. Oh, samples. Nice, nice little touch. I wonder how
We
it
watched the
died.
video log from your dive. I'm truly heartsick.
I'm furious. Where should we start?
Mining.
The destroyed vent. I couldn't believe how badly the seabed was chewed up.
Vents that might have had a fossil record dating
That's
back
probably what
over a
made
billion
that
years.
And microbial life
tunnel
that
we
doesn't
swam
exist
in.
anywhere else
Those
on the
drills.
planet. Who knows
you know?
what cures we've lost?
Your drone's a fallen hero, Andre. I think it spooked the miners before they did more damage.
If you hadn't been willing to dive without a map, we would never have confirmed they were actively mining.
Who gets the satisfaction of turning them in?
We were debating that before you came on.
Now let's turn them in. Let's do it together. It was a
We
team
should
effort.
jointly report. It'll be stronger.
Agreed.
Agreed. Now tell us about the whale fall. Could you ID the whale?
The whale fall was definitely
I hope
from
we
the
could do
baby's
more
family.
than just report it
The
though. It
tail
would be nice
fluke
if
was
we could
intact enough to
sabotage
scan
some
it.
stuff.
But you are sure it wasn't the mother?
It wasn't the mother. The ID matched another whale we know from her family.
Oh.
But it was an older whale, so more vulnerable.
Do you think there's any connection to the miners?
They did plenty of damage, but I don't think the whale fall is on them.
I can pull out anything from the scan log that might be worth investigating.
Already have. Can you turn these into dive objectives?
Right. Catch you in a bit.
Hmm. Okay, cool. I hope we can do some sabotage. Maybe, okay, I know we're like, we're playing as a very like law-abiding person, right? And reporting is like the right thing to do, but I want to do some sabotage. Okay?
Marina's analysis of the whale fall shows evidence of toxins from a harmful algal bloom. We have to find Andrea and her family and get biosamples. On a positive note, Andrea's side trip was a success. He found an amazing group of teens who have been nurturing the turtle population back to health. Running out of dive time, especially if I go home early. Ready to dive.
Ready to dive.
I'm in and okay. This area looks so different at night. I used to love diving in the moonlight.
The pod was active in this area as recently as an hour ago.
When was the last tracking data for the baby or its mother?
Days ago. But they could be with the pod right now and just not making any noise.
It's so pretty. What's in here? Looks like the place. Oh. Yeah, it looked like we've been here before. We're back at this area. But it's darker now. The nighttime. Ooh, fish. Sold your fish. Okay, little boy, let's find some whales.
There you go, first waypoint. They'll load automatically from here on in. I have the Explorer drones patrolling to get as many eyes and ears looking for the pod as possible.
Do I need the buoys?
No, we'll use the hydrophones on the drones. They don't have the range or fidelity of the boys, but we need speed.
Thanks.
Mirai, you know that no chatter rule was just for the vent area, right?
I'm sorry?
I think he's pointing out that you seem distracted.
Sorry. I'm back. Talk to me about something positive, Andre. Were you able to make contact with the teenagers you were telling me about?
They've been helping the leatherback turtle population rebound here in the region. They've developed a nest cooling technology to help the baby turtles. They've also built their own tracking drones.
Teens with tech. Sounds like you've inspired some citizen scientists, Andre.
Hello, buddy. All here by yourself? Oh, come on. Healthy sperm whale. Nice. Got some other stuff. Seems like we have a dolphin, an orca maybe, and a mysterious sound. Oh, look how the moonlight shines through the ocean. So pretty. A whale shark. Hello. Hello, you flat big boy.
Have you decided whether or not you want another dive back at the brine pool?
With everything going on, I really hadn't had the chance to look at the schedule, but I would always say yes to that.
Right.
Oh, orca. Hello. No, they're like really sad and all, but... Come on. Hello. Nourished. Not malnourished. No. Get some food. There's another thing over here right now. I don't know. Not the orca. Oh, it's the same one. Hello. Goodbye. Ooh. Boy's parrotfish. Ooh. That's some pretty fish. Double ray.
I don't remember having dolphins in the dive objectives.
I added them because of their role in the disease that hit the dolphin population a few years back.
Just like dolphins. Come on, come on, please. Oh god, this drone. I swear. Please.
Done. Andre, have you picked up any tags from our pod?
No, not yet. I'm going to widen the radius for the Explorer drones.
Yeah, where's our pod? Where's the baby? And where's the mom, I guess, but... But also the question, where's that devious octopus hiding? Gonna spook us again?
I'm near the waypoint and can hear a humpback singing, but I don't see it. I think I'm losing it.
It's
It's
just...
gotta be close. I feel like it's singing right in my ear.
Try a scan visor.
Oh, I mean, it's that. There it is, right? No?
That's totally weird. I see a scan dot, but nothing's there. I think the humpback is invisible.
Sorry, I'm afraid I'm the invisible whale.
I'm definitely losing it. I thought you just said you're an invisible whale.
Well, not me. The humpback song I generated. You're at a playback station. It's pretty small on the buoy line, but in the dark you probably can't see the line.
Well, it must be pretty authentic. At least enough to convince your drone. Mirai, have you heard back from Ren yet?
No.
Is Ren okay? Mirai, are you there?
I'm not sure.
Pardon?
I meant about Ren. I don't know. We had a fight right before I left the sub.
Do you want to call her now? I can patch you through.
Seriously? Here?
Well, I have to watch your video feed for safety, but I can mute your audio track for privacy.
Wow, I've never talked to her while I was diving.
Oh,
No, I'll wait for the sub.
there it is. Found ya. Kind of random, like, hey, is your sister okay? Now that we're working. You want to talk to her right now? Oh god, please.
Okay, Mirai, you're on. The drone on the outer patrol just picked up several sperm whales on visual.
Thanks.
No sound alerts at all. They're being awfully quiet.
I mean, maybe they're just sleeping. Middle of the night by the looks of it. Like, it's very dark and eerie, and even though very pretty, it's still a bit unnerving. Sitting here with like a little like anxiety, you know, knot in my stomach. Oh, they are
I think I found the
sleeping.
pod. Yes, that is them. I don't see the baby, but it's a little dark.
Why aren't they moving?
They're sleeping.
I had
Yes.
no idea.
They are sleeping.
They look alien, but beautiful.
If you don't mind, I'm just gonna mute my comm while I get the samples.
I don't think they can hear us through your visor.
I think she is the one that is needing some quiet.
Thanks, Arena. Catch you at the sub. Mirai out.
They sleep so weird. I wonder why they sleep like this. Low level toxin detected. That's good. Okay, good. Oh no, we woke them. Oh. See what you did. Look what we did. Look what you did, Mirai. See, you want a peace and quiet? You just woke them. You know my mommy? She's the ocean doctor. The ocean is sick and she's trying to make it better. Oh. Hmm. Notes? Can we read the notes? No? Okay. Ren, Nana, Mirai. Oh, look at those cute stick figures. I wonder who drew that. Impeccable. Amazing. Have we gotten one of— oh no, we are missing one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah. I want at least one of every species at the end of this all. Okay.
Hello, Mirai. It's me. I don't see a sample from either the baby or the mother.
Yeah.
Andre said you were going back out to look for them. I know you are still deciding, but I told him you're thinking about leaving the expedition early. As soon as I have results, I'll let you know.
Are we leaving the expedition because of the baby or because of Ren and Nana?
Mirai, I think I have a location for the mother and baby. They were spotted just outside the research zone by those teenagers I was telling you about. Now, I don't have much data, but the report doesn't sound positive. I'll let Irina know as well.
Okay.
Hello?
Hi, Ren.
Is now a good time? You sound tired.
Yeah, I'm a zombie. I had trouble sleeping.
Did the doctor say anything other than Nana missed the window?
Not really.
Did you ask him the questions I sent?
Didn't seem to be any point. Listen, I'm exhausted. I'll catch you later, okay?
Ren,
Aw.
please don't hang up. Ren? Okay.
Ah, oof. Ren is clearly struggling. Maybe we should go home early. But the whales!
Same night, last dive. We're near the coastal area where Andrea and her mother were last spotted. Suit checked and rechecked. Can't risk any exposure in case the bloom hasn't completely resolved. Hard to swim after absorbing neurotoxin. Seriously. Diving now.
Okay. Time to dive.
I'm in.
Mirai, are you sure you want to do this dive?
I'm okay.
And you're sure you want to record in our streaming format?
Yes.
Ready? Recording now.
Tonight we're recording from the open ocean in the Western Pacific. For those of you who are returning, we're trying to get an updated status on the mother and baby sperm whale that we've been following on our stream. We're recording tonight's stream because we have reports that the mother whale is distressed, and we don't want to surprise viewers if these reports are true.
After discovering a whale fall in our research zone, we suspected that the whales may have been exposed to a toxin or pathogen, and are currently investigating. Samples from several females in the pod tested positive for a toxin that we believe resulted from exposure to a harmful algal bloom near the coastal area just outside our research zone.
Hope nothing's happened to the baby. Oh.
As I approach the whales, I'm gonna turn off my mic, but keep on my video feed.
Oh, okay, so baby still is there. Oh. Oh, she's— oh, the mom does not look well at all. Oh. No.
The whales that we tested showed low level of this toxin, so we do not believe they will suffer from long-term effects. However, we expect that the mother whale was exposed to a higher level, and but was also more vulnerable because of her pregnancy.
No. Baby needs its mom. No. Andrea appears healthy. I mean, the baby's okay, but... Orcas.
Andre, those orcas sure look like they're threatening the baby whale.
No, go away. Ah! Oh god, I'm so close. The seas. Oh. Hmm. Are we gonna scare the orcas? Oh. No, the pod came to protect them.
Stay close to your aunties. They know the way.
Oh. Lisa's not alone. But still.
As far as we know, those were the only 2 whales affected by the bloom. With all of Andrea's technology genius, he still hasn't invented a way to be in 2 places at the same time. Before my flight home landed, Irina and Andre had already confirmed the location of the harmful bloom. I stayed close to home with Nana until she passed the next year.
Oh.
Ren moved in with me to save money while she finished school, which was great.
At least they're talking.
Mostly. It was Ren's idea to keep the live stream going remotely using one of Andrea's drones. But it was my fabulous idea to have Ren join the stream to choose the questions from the audience. She is
that's
definitely
nice.
a hit. I can't lie. It's great to be diving again.
Ooh, are we doing one last dive to check on the baby?
While I was away, the baby became an auntie.
Oh, it's all grown. Aw.
I think she likes it. She still buzzes me when I play my coda sounds, so that is still a mystery. But I swear, we understand each other completely.
That's nice. I mean, trauma bonded. Well, that was nice. I mean, it ended on like a bittersweet note. And I was hoping we would do some sabotage, but it was nice. I liked the visuals, they're beautiful, even though I was a bit nervous at the deeper bits. Like I like the ocean, but when it gets like no light down there, it just gets kind of scary, you know? That was nice. Did you guys enjoy it? It was cozy but had some spookiness, huh? Yeah. I think the deep ocean is inherently spooky, you know, because of the unknown, and we're technically not supposed to really be down there, you know? But we're still going down there anyway, you know, because we're super curious creatures and we had to know everything. I liked it. It was nice. Despite the lower anxiety at times and the sadness at the end. Very beautiful visuals. They really focus a lot on the ocean, right? Which I appreciate. You know. Everything else, there was not much else outside of that, but I think they did a good job. Also good ocean awareness, right? Appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to consider following if you'd like. If you want to see me stream more, support the stream. I really appreciate it. And let the credits run. And there we go. Good game. Beyond Blue. It takes a pod. Yeah. It really does. We could go look for more fishes, but I think I'm gonna call it a night. Thank you guys again. Appreciate you hanging out. Thank you. I want to say my farewells. Again, follow if you'd like to see me go live next, hopefully tomorrow. You can also follow my socials. I added a YouTube link for the past VODs on my link tree. If you want to see me play Life is Strange, episode 1 is there. I'm gonna upload all the VODs that when they disappear from this channel, they'll be over on YouTube. I like recording quality, so just for archive reasons, I think it's nice to keep the memories. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a nice evening. Thank you Dippy for hanging out in chat. Thank you everyone else. And yeah, that's it for me. Bye bye.